Hello everyone, hope everyone's doing great, staying well, and today we're back with another different video, not really sneakers, and this time here it's for the Raised by Wolves and Akila collaboration on the Alpha 2001-01-01, and I picked these guys up hilariously in November. I'd initially wanted to get them in the summer, but color I wanted kept selling out, couldn't find them, but I was able to get my hands on these guys, so that's enough of a backstory. Let's just get into it. So getting into the box, first guy up top is the Akila Raised by Wolves case with the sunglasses, and right on the front here you can see embossed into the leather it just says Akila and then Raised by Wolves, and then you have these nice two metallic plugs to nicely seal the glasses in, a nice silent clasp, no popping. And then on the back in white you have Raised by Wolves written in large white lettering just to provide a nice pop, some clear branding, because I'm guessing if you're a brand you want your branding to be visible on the items you're selling. And then next item we have in the box is just this strap that says Raised by Wolves, and this guy is meant to be attached to the stems of the glasses, so it holds the sunglasses on the back of your head. That way, let's say you're running or doing any vigorous activity, they always stay attached and you don't drop them. The next guy here, you have the Akila warranty card, just says respect the sun. Not too much going on in that guy there, not too much information you risk missing out on by not having that guy around all the time. And then the final item in the box is just this wonderful cleaning cloth to de-smudge or defog the lenses. And it's just so beautiful, has that wonderful paisley bandana print, and it just says Raised by Wolves on it in somewhat of a graffiti, in a graffiti font or graffiti aesthetic. I like this guy so much that I have not used it just because I want to keep it clean, keep it pristine, and not mess it up with the oils off my face or my fingers. So this guy's gonna remain unused and in the box to just kind of showcase, maybe one day when I'm less attached to physical items on this earth, I will use it to its fullest potential. But yeah, that's it for things that come inside the box. So let's move on to the most important item I guess most of you guys came for, which is the actual sunglasses themselves. Yeah, so when you get to the packaging here and you pop this guy open, originally the sunglasses would have come wrapped in plastic, but I have been using these guys for a couple of months now, so they're unwrapped, nothing obstructing them in the way there. And then some nice details I actually saw on this guy. Let's see if we can get them on camera. Okay, probably not too easily. Will this focus in this close? Yes, so there's some of my hair, but you have this wonderful A on the right lens here just for Akila, and then on the left lens here at the bottom you have Raised by Wolves printed in an unobstructive way at the bottom, just a nice touch. And then on the back of the sunglasses you have the A 2001-01-01 markings there, just kind of what I'm guessing is the model name for the sunglasses. And on the other side it just states Raised by Wolves. Once again, a bit more branding, and the nice thing is on the sunglasses it's not too out there, not in your face, so you don't have to worry that these guys will just be a massive screaming banner saying Raised by Wolves. And then overall it's a nice build. You have this nice circular frame, a bit thicker than your usual circular sunglasses. Reminds me of a pair of Vans sunglasses I have that I got before these ones were available, and it's just a nice classic look. Then the bridge here is a nice solid metal, when you push it, let's say you're like me, you push it up onto the bridge of your nose with this, you don't feel like it's gonna bend or snap. Then the lenses are tinted, it has a nice blue tint to it, but they're meant to be more of a black. And back to the frames, I got the black guys, but I do know these guys were available in, I believe, a black smoke tortoiseshell, a kind of green smoke tortoiseshell, and then the classic brownish tortoiseshell, but The black, it's simple, timeless, easy to wear with a lot of items. You know, you're never gonna wake up, throw them on and be like, oh no, this doesn't go with my outfit, this doesn't go with my shorts, or this doesn't go with my suit. So yeah, overall, these guys, fairly good sunglasses, a fairly solid pair that I'd recommend to anyone looking for sunglasses any time of year during this holiday season. I know the Akila collabs are always something that people like, people are after, and especially since Boxing Day is coming up and they're bound to be available and even on sale. I know when I got these guys, they were marked down from their usual price of $140 down to about $105 on the Raised by Wolves website. But yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, be sure to leave a thumbs up, subscribe for more if you find this kind of content entertaining and worth your time. Otherwise, have a good day, keep staying healthy, keep staying safe. Peace.